Hello everyone, my name is Ines Ana Tomić. I come from Croatia where I teach violin. First of all, I would like to thank our ESTA Portugal friends and colleagues for their hard work in keeping us together in spite of this corona situation. You're doing a great job. Thank you. Now, let me tell you something about my lecture. A few years ago, after my first book was published, a dear colleague from ESTA Malta, Antoine Frendo, asked me to come to Malta conference and make a presentation about it. Of course, I've accepted. It was a great honor and pleasure for me. Unfortunately, some health issues occurred and I had to cancel everything. The hotel was booked, the plane tickets were bought, even the conference booklet was printed with a summary of my lecture in it. But life happened, I had to cancel everything. The next conference, the one in Cremona, was too soon for me, so I thought the Porto conference would be just right to make my presentation. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Should I say more? Nevertheless, I'm very thankful to ESTA Portugal organizers for inviting me. So, my presentation is called The Most Important Aspects in Work with Violin Beginners. It all started with my own personal notes. As we all do, I used to forget some tiny things that I find very important for beginning students. So I decided to put them on the paper. It turned out that these notes not only reminded me of the process, but also gave me some new ideas. I told to myself, I will read this every year. As you can guess, every year I got new ideas. They finally resulted in the series of books, lectures, masterclasses and didactical materials called the Pizzicato Method. If you're interested to see more about the Pizzicato Method, there's some information on the webpage Pizzicato Hire. Yes, this is exactly why I think that every teacher, no matter how he or she experienced is, would find something interesting in this lecture. Young, new teachers will certainly learn something new and find it all in one place. On the other hand, more experienced teachers will remind themselves of the things they already know and I hope find some new ideas to refresh their lessons. In the lecture, first of all, I will talk about the importance of the equipment, the music stand, the instrument, music sheet, and all the things that we sometimes forget to tell our students about. After that, the lecture is divided in 4 segments. Proper posture, which is of course the most important one, how to choose the right program, communication with parents and students, and practice at home. Our first and most important task in the beginning year is to teach our students how to properly hold the instrument, how to hold and draw the bow properly, how to use left hand, and how to play with both arms together. There are many exercises and didactical aids that can help our students. Some of them are more suitable for one student and the others are more suitable for the other one. This is exactly why I like to read all those notes year after year again and again. Sometimes we are in doubt which program to give to our students. There is a very easy 4-step process that I will talk about which can help with that. One of the things that we teachers talk about the most is the communication with students as well as the parents. I will talk about the types of students and how to approach them, but also about the magic of the first lesson, how to handle the first part of the school year, winter break, how to handle year's end, nerve-wracking year's end, and also summer break. This leads us to the last but certainly not the least segment, practicing at home. How to awaken the students' curiosity, how to keep them motivated, something about work planning and also progress monitoring. I hope we will all have our chance to meet in Porto and also my lecture to have its chance to be presented. Until then, stay healthy and safe. Bye.